Welcome to Smart Tree Removal Brisbane, your expert in stump grinding services. We specialise in removing stubborn tree stumps to restore your landscape. Stump grinding is an efficient way to eliminate unsightly stumps left behind after tree removal. Our team uses advanced equipment for a seamless process. Whether it is a large oak or a small shrub stump, we handle all sizes with ease and professionalism. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Safety is important to us. Our trained professionals follow strict safety measures to ensure a smooth and hazard-free stump grinding experience. After grinding, the wood chips can be used as mulch, providing a natural look to your garden while enriching the soil. Enjoy a clear yard without unsightly stumps obstructing your outdoor activities. Our services help you reclaim your space. We are committed to providing exceptional service at competitive prices. No hidden costs, just honest and reliable stump grinding. Wondering how much it will cost? Contact us today for a free, no-obligation quote. Our team is ready to assist you with all your stump grinding needs. Call us today at 073 and 13133 to discuss your project. We are here to answer any questions you may have about our services. Visit our website at www.smarttreeremovalbrisbane.com.au to fill out the quote form and receive a prompt response from our team. Our goal is to transform your landscape into a beautiful and functional space. Let us take care of your stump removal efficiently and professionally. Smart Tree Removal Brisbane, where expertise meets reliability. We look forward to serving you and enhancing your outdoor environment. Don't let tree stumps ruin your landscape. Get in touch with us today to take the first step towards a cleaner and more attractive yard. Join countless satisfied customers who have benefited from our stump grinding services. Experience the Smart Tree Removal difference today.